Hello guys, and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to play with friends Minecraft on mobile. To do so, we're gonna use an app named Minecraft Play with Friends Overview, officially from Mojang. You can dive into an expansive sandbox world where you can build, craft, and survive Minecraft. It is a game designed for creativity and adventure, offering both solo and multiplayer experiences. You have creative mode and survivor mode. Also, you can explore diverse biomes filled with unique creatures and hidden treasures. To do so, just download the Minecraft Play with Friends, create a server, and then add your friends to that server so you can play online together. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.